Greetings and welcome to my channel. Boy, I got a treat today. I had to think outside the box. This is where I load various products I purchased from Amazon and other companies. Mostly all Amazon, very few other companies. Today's another company. I went to Amazon looking at the EcoFlow WAVE 2, a portable air conditioning system. And of course Amazon wanted $12.99 for it. Now at the time, you can see there's no battery with that. So I went over here to the company EcoFlow. They wanted $1,099 for no battery, a little sale going on. And with the battery on this one, they want $18.49, but I paid $16.94. That's a beefy thing. It's extremely heavy, and I have it here in my house. I got to be honest with you, I'm quite fascinated by it. Let me show you what it looks like up close and personal. Well, there she is. You can find her all over the internet. You can find her all over YouTube. It's beautiful. It's expensive. It's heavy. And I've done just about everything I could with it. I gotta tell you, this is a beast. But this is not for everybody. This is expensive. And I'm really not sure if it's going to meet my camping needs, because I tried it in the truck yesterday and I was a little disappointed. She was having a hard time cooling down the truck, and it's just the inside passenger section of the Ford Expedition. Shouldn't have no problem with that. So that was kind of interesting to me. You come over here and hit your power button. Now look here, down here is the battery. If I click that will power on the battery. Okay, all right. And this is tricky. I always have to kind of hold it for a minute. I guess they don't want it to malfunction on you. I believe this is the current temperature now. This here is what it's set on. Now I was playing around with the heater yesterday, and the interesting part was, as this thing blew out warm air, this blew out ice cold air. Literally like the air conditioner. Matter of fact, this feels colder on the air conditioner, would be the exhaust feels colder than the air conditioner did. The heater, though, in my opinion, isn't blowing worth of nothing. There's no real thrust, and it looks like it's on maximum fan. Yeah, maximum fan, maximum temperature, and let's see if we can get up to max heat. So you might be saying, well, why do you have the heater on? Well, with the heater on, I can get an idea what she would do for me in the winter, but she's not blowing anything. And that's the thing that's bothering me about this. I had the same problem with the air conditioner. Oh, here she goes. Here she goes. There it is. Maybe it needs a second to warm up. Nice, but cool. It's not hot. It's cool. I wanted to do the heater before winter came, so I could just see how she do. Now look, that's cool air. This is freezing cold. This is the intake. Cold air. I'll let the heater run for a little bit. The air conditioning's okay. It's not too bad. There was a part that came with my EcoFlow that no one mentioned, and that was this thing here. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It was underneath the hoses. There's that little piece there, and it even shows it as part of the inventory in the manual, but doesn't say what it does. EcoFlow WAVE has an app you can open up on your phone, adjust all the settings. Wow, it still ain't getting warm. Well, it's warm air. It's not exactly hot air. This thing's expensive. This thing's heavy. You have to hook up the exhaust fans, exhaust pipes. This thing's a lot. I have to give it to you. This thing's a lot. Is it worth the money? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really don't know. I'm still in the early phases. I'm going to give it, for all the money I paid for it, I'm going to have to give it 4 stars. I'm going to tell you why. She doesn't get hot enough, and she doesn't get cold enough. It was only 80 degrees out yesterday, and I had it on 60, and I had it in the truck for 2 hours, and it could barely get the truck down to 70 degrees, and that truly bothered me. My wife suggested I hook it up to the generator, fire it up, get that that power to kick in, because we did it in the man cave under the AC power, and it really cooled down the man's cave amazingly. But on the battery, it's just kind of iffy. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's still early to me, but I'll tell you, don't rush home and try to hurry up and get one. Give it time. See if there's any kinks they have to work out of it. I'm a little iffy about it. I'm a little disappointed. I'm telling you the truth. Stand by. So as I was saying, a little iffy. If you're gonna get it, yeah, I highly recommend with the battery. That's the whole point of having it. Otherwise, you can just get a window unit. Same thing. 5,000 BTUs. I will add a link to the manufacturer. I went through them personally because I didn't want no third parties handling it. Amazon, the only good thing about them is they actually offer a 3 to 4 year warranty. You have to pay a little bit more money for it, 120, 151, but at least you get that extended warranty. Manufacturer, they only give you a 1 year warranty. I think they might offer an aftermarket extended warranty. Well, thank you all for viewing my channel. I know it was a short, sweet, and to the point video, but that's what it is. And if I have any future, anything happens with the unit, I'll make sure I update the YouTube channel. And I can honestly say that, I don't know, I had a lot of excitement about when it first came here. I'm just really thrilled. But now it's kind of like, we'll see what happens. If it's not worth it, we'll send it back. Thank you all for subscribing. Please feel free to be subscribers. I really do appreciate you. We're a small channel, but we're an honest channel. You all take care now.